Many of my friends are here, some not, some not. I got a couple running with the cops, not just two. Anything I tie, I'm not fair.
Woohoo, and no apologies. Was the David is going to be on dancehall artist Movado as he stuck to his Instagram today, February 3rd, 2021, to release a statement after his son Dante Brooks was convicted on January 27th for the M of one called Mr. Thomas or Lorenzo. I'm pronouncing last name correct. Anyway, this is not coming from Movado the entertainer. This is more of David Brooks, the father. All right, and this is what it actually reads. Really would like to express my gratitude to all the fans, friends and family who said positive and encouraging words throughout this terrible time. Corruption, 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 Jano Star. Some people are so effing wicked. How could a man change his statement over 4 times? He even went on stand and said the police altered his statement. The police came to my home and took my son from my house in Norfolk. Locked up 5 other family members for no reason, which resulted in 2 of my family members losing their jobs because they were in jail for days without any charges. This man also went on the stand and said that these same police officers who carried out the arrest of my son and my family from my home are working for me and he feared his life. The same man who claimed he feared his life still gave over 14 pages of statements. The inconsistency in this man's statement only shed light on the corruption. But I promise to fight for the lives of these 2 innocent youths. It's like my son was found guilty before trial, but I'm going to point out everything in the injustice one day at a time, and that is what Movado left. All right, so I'll catch you guys into the next bit of stuff.